All right. Hello, Hillcrest Middle School. Hope you're all doing well. This is the bulletin for November. It's very weird to say this, but November 2nd, 2020. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. October is over and we are into November. All right, let's talk about what's going on this week. First off, the Shoebox Project, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. And what has become an annual tradition at Hillcrest Middle School? Students are invited to participate in the Shoeboxes for the Homeless of Sonoma County Service Project. These shoeboxes will be filled with items suitable for both men and women. They're kind of toiletries, things to help take care of themselves. The shoeboxes will be filled with these necessities. This is a house competition, so you can help others while earning points for your houses. If you have any questions, please email Miss Rich. There's also information about what needs to go in each of these bags or shoeboxes in the Monday messages that came out this weekend. So check that out for more information. Ladies and gentlemen, Tuesday, November 3rd is Election Day. And that means that we are going to be having a red, white, and blue spirit day. You're going to go out there, show off your patriotism, put on that red, white, and blue, and get ready to help remind folks to get out there and vote. Because we want everyone to vote, vote, vote. Please email in any pictures you have of you in your red, white, and blue to me, wdeets@grav.k12.ca.us. That is a house competition as well. All right, let's take a look here. Now, remember, if you receive shout outs in the second part of the morning bulletin, you can come on Wednesdays between 2 and 3 to Hillcrest Middle School and choose something off of the blue feather cart. Miss Baird and Miss Rich will be out there in front of Hillcrest Hall from between 2 and 3 p.m. on Wednesdays with the blue feather cart. Make sure you go check it out after you've earned your shout outs. And it may be hard to believe, ladies and gentlemen, but the end of trimester 1 is coming. The end of trimester 1 ends on November 12th. Nobody should be surprised by what your grades are, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone should be checking in with their teachers, checking their Google Classroom, checking their school-wise. So when that report card shows up in the mail, you know exactly what you have and you're not surprised by that. And also too, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for everyone to step up, make sure those grades are showing off the best of who you are. Get that done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our shout outs. Let's take a look at what we have here right now. Ms. Johnson wants to give a shout out to her 8th grade language arts classes for completing our first ever Zoom Socratic seminar. I sat in on some of those and they were pretty fantastic. Special shout out to frequent contributors, Destin, Peyton, Allison, Callie, Elena, Josie, Kashaya, Lily, Logan, Sydney L, Sydney S, Henry, Richard, Riley, Ava, Yoan, Nathan, and Ophelia. Miss Lemke would like to give a shout out to Miss Bartle for her huge effort to support 6th and 7th grade families. I can see that there are a lot of calls and she's making them happen. Thank you, Miss Bartle. Miss Sporer wants to give a shout out to her 8th grade language arts class for the amazing discussions and contributions to our novel study and suspense unit. And I want to appreciate Allie, and she wants to appreciate Allie Torres Sosa for her perseverance and putting in the extra time in science this week. Way to devote time and effort to understanding and success. Miss Jax Lewis wants to give a shout out to Kendra Woodbury, Austin Calagianis, Tamar Knuth, Celine Williams, Lexi Anderson, and Owen Lassard for some excellent examples of student work in 7th grade math. Ms. Bernetti gives shout outs to 8th graders Gabe Aguilar and Ella Calfee for consistent attendance and a positive work attitude. And shout outs to her first period 6th graders for their hard work and positive attitude. Lillian, Lilith, Tommy, Amara, Maddie, Logan, Chase, Callie, and Jack. Great job, you guys. Miss Rich wants to give a shout out to Freddie Contreras Ochoa for attending class regularly and putting in the effort to get his assignments completed. I'd like to give a shout out, that's right, Mr. Dietz, I'd like to give a shout out to Miranda Kessler for standing up and doing the right thing when it mattered. Ms. Clements wants to give a shout out to the following students who often seek clarification, ask clarifying questions, and utilize the end of Zoom question and answer time to be certain that they can do their best work every week. They show a strong determination to learn. Ethan Hlinka, Ani Reynolds, Elena Golovanchanskaya, I'm sorry about that, Elena, I totally messed that up. Janiyah Williams, Sophia Asved, Sophie Behrens, Noah Mortensen, Angela Mora Garcia, Ariel Batat, Bella Gee, Tejana Paletti, Max Schottenfeld, and Jenna Tufo. Great job, you guys. Remember, if you got a shout out today, you can hit up the Blue Feather Cart this coming Wednesday between 2 and 3. Remember, Tuesday is going to be our Red, White, and Blue Spirit Day for Election Day. That's about that, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you've have a great week. Try your hardest. Trimester 1 is ending soon. And as always, you guys, soar, Hawk, soar.